We live in a world of deadlines, commutes, and endless to-do lists. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, cooking a healthy meal often feels like a luxury. But what if I told you that you can prepare delicious, nutritious meals in just 20 minutes? In this fast-paced world, we can still prioritize our well-being without sacrificing valuable time. This video is your guide to unlocking the secrets of longevity through quick and easy meals. Together, we'll debunk the myth that healthy eating is time-consuming and discover the joy of cooking satisfying dishes. No more excuses, no more settling for processed convenience foods. Let's dive in. Longevity, the quest for a longer, healthier life, has captivated humanity for centuries. Research suggests that our diets play a crucial role in determining how well we age. By making conscious choices about the food we consume, we can influence our health span and increase our chances of enjoying a long and vibrant life. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrient powerhouses act like tiny warriors, fighting off inflammation and boosting our immune systems. Small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a profound impact on your longevity. And the best part? You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to reap these benefits. This is where the magic of 20-minute meals comes in. We understand that life is busy and time is precious. Throughout this journey, we'll explore practical tips for meal prepping and planning, discover time-saving cooking techniques, and unlock a treasure trove of easy-to-follow recipes. Get ready to embrace a world where healthy eating is no longer a chore, but a joyful and efficient part of your daily routine. We'll show you how to maximize your time in the kitchen and enjoy the process of creating meals that nourish your body and soul. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and unlock the secrets of longevity, one delicious and quick meal at a time. When we talk about longevity, we're not just talking about adding years to our lives, but adding life to our years. Certain nutrients act as pillars of longevity, supporting our body's natural defenses against aging. One of these crucial pillars is antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, protecting our cells from oxidative stress. Another key pillar is fiber, essential for a healthy gut, which plays a surprising role in longevity. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of age-related diseases. Fiber acts like a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria and promoting a thriving gut ecosystem. Think of it like preventing rust on a car. Antioxidants and fiber keep our bodies running smoothly. Nature has provided us with a vibrant arsenal of weapons against aging, hidden in plain sight in the produce aisle. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds called phytonutrients. Each hue represents a different set of phytonutrients with unique health benefits. For example, the deep red of tomatoes signifies lycopene, an antioxidant linked to heart health and cancer protection. The vibrant orange of carrots indicates beta-carotene, crucial for vision and immune function. Whole grains provide fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, essential for energy production and blood sugar regulation. Legumes are packed with protein, fiber, and iron, making them excellent meat alternatives that promote satiety and contribute to a healthy heart. Remember those phytonutrients we mentioned earlier? These naturally occurring compounds found in plants give fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods their vibrant colors and unique flavors. One class of phytonutrients that deserves special attention is polyphenols. Found abundantly in berries, grapes, tea, and cocoa, polyphenols are potent antioxidants linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic conditions. They work by protecting our cells from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. Another group of phytonutrients making waves in the longevity world is carotenoids. Carotenoids, like beta-carotene found in carrots and sweet potatoes, play a crucial role in maintaining eye health, boosting immunity, and protecting against certain types of cancer. Let's face it, life gets busy. But here's the secret. You don't have to cook every single meal from start to finish every day. Enter the magic of meal prepping, your secret weapon for ensuring that nutritious, home-cooked meals are always within easy reach. By dedicating a little time up front, you can streamline your cooking process and ensure that healthy meals are always just minutes away. Imagine opening your fridge to pre-chopped vegetables, cooked grains, and portioned-out snacks, ready to be transformed into delicious meals with minimal effort. Start by choosing a day of the week that works best for you, and dedicate an hour or two to meal prepping. You'll be amazed at how much easier and faster it is to cook healthy meals throughout the week when you have a fridge stocked with ready-to-go ingredients. Strategic shopping. Setting yourself up for success. Before you embark on your meal prepping adventure, it's crucial to have a plan. Start by browsing recipes and creating a weekly meal plan that excites you. This will ensure you have all the necessary ingredients on hand, minimizing those last-minute grocery runs. When creating your shopping list, prioritize fresh, whole foods that align with the principles of longevity. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein sources, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Challenge yourself to try a new vegetable each week or experiment with different types of legumes. Embrace the freezer, your ally in time saving. The freezer is your best friend when it comes to quick and healthy meals. It's a time capsule of flavor and nutrition, allowing you to preserve seasonal produce at its peak. One of the easiest ways to utilize your freezer is by batch cooking. Double or triple your favorite soup, stew, or chili recipe, and freeze the leftovers in individual portions. These frozen meals become lifesavers on busy weeknights, providing a comforting and nutritious meal in minutes. You can also freeze individual ingredients like cooked grains, beans, or roasted vegetables to use as building blocks for quick and easy meals. This way, you can grab just the amount you need without thawing the entire batch. Kitchen Command Center, organization for efficiency. Having a well-organized kitchen is crucial for streamlining your cooking process. When your kitchen is in order, you can find what you need quickly and efficiently. Start by decluttering your countertops and keeping only essential appliances within easy reach. Invest in clear containers to store pantry staples like grains, nuts, and seeds. Organize your refrigerator strategically, placing frequently used items like prepped vegetables, fruits, and healthy snacks at eye level. Remember, an organized kitchen is a happy and efficient kitchen. Speedy stir fries. A symphony of flavors in minutes. Stir fries are the epitome of quick and healthy cooking, allowing you to create a symphony of flavors and textures in a matter of minutes. The beauty of a stir fry lies in its versatility. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand, toss in your protein of choice, and customize the flavors to your liking. The secret to a speedy stir fry lies in prepping your ingredients beforehand. During your meal prep session, chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces and store them in airtight containers. When you're ready to cook, simply heat a large skillet or wok over high heat, add a drizzle of oil, and stir-fry your ingredients until tender crisp. For a burst of umami flavor, add a splash of soy sauce, tamari, or coconut aminos. Serve your stir-fry over brown rice, quinoa, or noodles for a complete and satisfying meal. One-pan wonders. Minimal effort, maximum taste. One-pan meals are a busy person's dream, requiring minimal cleanup and delivering maximum flavor. The concept is simple. Toss all your ingredients onto a single baking sheet and let the oven do the work. Roasted vegetables are a staple of one-pan wonders, developing a caramelized sweetness and concentrated flavor. Choose vegetables that roast well, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, carrots, sweet potatoes, and onions. For a protein boost, add chicken breasts, salmon fillets, or chickpeas to your baking sheet. You can also add a grain such as quinoa or rice to create a complete meal on one pan. The result is a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. Salads often get a bad rap for being boring or unsatisfying, but they can be anything but. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, they can be transformed into a delightful and nutritious meal. A well-constructed salad is a celebration of fresh, vibrant ingredients bursting with flavor and texture. Each bite can be a new experience, a mix of crunch, sweetness, and zest. And the best part? They can be assembled in minutes, making them the perfect quick and healthy meal. Whether you're in a rush or just looking for a light option, salads are incredibly versatile. The key to a satisfying salad is to think beyond lettuce and tomatoes. There are so many other ingredients that can add depth and excitement to your dish. Embrace a rainbow of colors and textures by incorporating a variety of leafy greens, raw or roasted vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and a protein source. This not only makes your salad more nutritious but also more visually appealing. Think spinach, kale, arugula, roasted beets, bell peppers, cucumbers, strawberries, blueberries, almonds, walnuts, grilled chicken, or chickpeas. The possibilities are endless and can be tailored to your taste. The dressing is just as important as the salad itself. It ties all the ingredients together and enhances their natural flavors. A flavorful vinaigrette can elevate a simple salad to new heights. It can be the difference between a good salad and a great one. Experiment with different combinations of olive oil, vinegar, citrus juice, herbs, and spices. Don't be afraid to try new things and find your perfect blend. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup can add a touch of sweetness, while a pinch of Dijon mustard adds a tangy kick. These small additions can make a big difference. Toss your salad ingredients with the dressing just before serving to prevent wilting. This ensures that every bite is fresh and full of flavor, making your salad a true delight. We started this journey with a simple premise, that even in our fast-paced lives, we can prioritize both our health and our time. It's about finding that delicate balance where we don't have to compromise one for the other. We've debunked the myth that healthy eating requires hours in the kitchen, proving that delicious, nutritious meals can be on your table in just 20 minutes. Quick, healthy meals are not just possible, they are achievable with the right approach. Remember, it's not about sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and support a longer, healthier life. Every bite you take can be a step towards a better you. Throughout this video, we've explored the profound impact that food has on our longevity, from the cellular level to our overall well-being. The right foods can energize us, heal us, and even extend our lifespan. We've learned about the crucial role of antioxidants, fiber, and phytonutrients in protecting our bodies from age-related damage and promoting optimal health as we age. These nutrients are the building blocks of a healthy, vibrant life. And we've discovered that these longevity-boosting nutrients are abundant in the colorful, flavorful world of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Nature provides us with a bounty of health-promoting foods. But knowledge without action is like a seed unplanted. It's the application of this knowledge that truly makes a difference. The true magic happens when we take what we've learned and apply it to our daily lives. It's in the small, consistent actions that we see the biggest changes. By embracing the tips and techniques shared in this video, from strategic meal prepping to the art of one-pan wonders, you hold the power to transform your relationship with food and time. You can create a lifestyle that supports both your health and your busy schedule. Imagine a kitchen where healthy cooking is no longer a chore but a joyful and efficient part of your daily routine. A place where every meal is a celebration of health and vitality. A kitchen stocked with fresh, vibrant ingredients, ready to be transformed into nourishing meals in minutes. Picture a counter brimming with colorful produce, each item a building block for your wellness. A kitchen where the aroma of spices mingles with the anticipation of a delicious and satisfying meal, prepared with love and intention. The scent of herbs and spices filling the air, creating an inviting atmosphere. This is the Longevity Kitchen, and it's waiting for you. A space designed to inspire and support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. It's time to ditch the takeout menus and reclaim your health. Embrace the simplicity and satisfaction of home-cooked meals. Embrace the power of 20-minute meals and discover the joy of cooking for yourself and your loved ones. Experiment with new recipes, try different cuisines, and make cooking a fun family activity. Explore the versatility of plant-based ingredients, from hearty grains to vibrant vegetables, and see how they can transform your meals. Let your creativity flourish in the kitchen. Mix and match ingredients, and don't be afraid to try something new. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and invest in your long-term health. Each bite brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. As you embark on this journey, remember that small, sustainable changes can have a profound impact over time. Start with simple swaps and build from there. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Take it one step at a time and enjoy the process of learning and growing. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new recipes into your weekly routine. Gradually expand your culinary repertoire. Gradually increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These small changes can lead to big health benefits. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Celebrate your successes and enjoy the process. Cooking is not just about feeding your body, but also about nurturing your soul. We're on a mission to empower people everywhere to take control of their health and well-being, one delicious and quick meal at a time. But we can't do it alone. We need your help to spread the message that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated, time-consuming, or expensive. Together we can create a ripple effect of positive change, inspiring others to embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes both longevity and flavor. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, family, and followers. Let's inspire each other to make healthier choices and create a world where everyone has access to nutritious, affordable, and delicious food. Leave a comment below and let us know which recipe you're most excited to try. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, recipes, and inspiration on living a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Together, let's make healthy cooking the norm, one 20-minute meal at a time.